Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God.
Hey guys, before the video starts, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also check out my merch store and my Discord. Let's go.
Okay guys, today's shout out is going to a guy named Josh the Atomic, currently has 70 subscribers, uploads some gaming content such as Fortnite and Five Nights at Freddy's. So guys, go check out his channel, and that being said, let's hop right into the video.
What's going on, Life Made Easy fans, and today I'm going to be bringing you my honest review about the Ducky 12 RGB TKL keyboard made by Ducky. And this particular keyboard has Cherry MX Blue switches, and let's hop right into the video. Ducky also provides an outstanding user manual which provides easy to read and visual graphics that allows the readers to easily change backlight modes, configurations of your actual keys. So on the keyboard itself, you can press the FN and the F10 key at the exact same time to cycle through different configurations that are available through the RGB underlighting. I'm going to be showing that on the screen right now as I'm talking, and you'll be able to see some of the options that are given when you purchase this keyboard. So with this keyboard, like I said, I have the Cherry MX Blue switches, so I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a sound test so you can hear what it sounds like when you're actually using the keyboard. There are also two stands on the back of the Ducky 12 keyboard so that you are able to adjust the height depending on if you want your keyboard to be elevated or flush against your surface or table. This is where you can purchase your Ducky 12 RGB TKL keyboard. You can go to mechanicalkeyboards.com that you can see in the top left of my browser. This is a website where you can find all of Ducky keyboards. They're very popular, so as you can see, majority of the time it is pre-order only. I waited, and I'm very glad that I waited. There's different types of Cherry MX switches. For instance, there's black, brown, blue, red, nature white, silver, and silent red, which you can add an extra $4 to get that switch. The one that I reviewed today was a Cherry MX Blue switch because prior to this keyboard, I had a Razer keyboard that was very clicky and hard to press on. Because I had that familiarity with those switches, I wanted to continue that. And as well, you have a free bonus whenever you purchase a keyboard. You can get different types of plate mounts, you can get pins, you can get stickers, or surprise me. What I did is that it gave me 3 random keycaps, and I was able to customize my keyboard and put keys in how I pleased. And yeah, make sure you leave a like on this video if you want to see more of this, and also comment down in the comment section about the video if you have any more questions or you have any suggestions for future videos. This is Life Made Easy signing out. Peace.